Susan, what is the 2017 tax update?
Hello, wonderful. This is Susan, protecting taxpayers' how by empowering and illuminating you with easy to understand tax information. Today, I want to talk about the tax update for 2018, tax year 2017 that we do in 2018. So it'll start January 29th and it's going to end April 17th instead of April 15th. The next one is that tax refunds are going to be issued by the IRS after February 15th. And I just want to talk about some provisions that haven't been changed for 2017, just in case you wonder. And one of them is the provision where taxpayers do not report the sale of their homes as long as they live there for 2 of the last 5 years. So you don't even have to report it if the sale of your home, if the profit of your home was less than $250,000, and of course for married filing together is $500,000 or less. That hasn't been touched, so that's great. All right. And traditional IRA hasn't been touched either. No change for that. You can save $5,500 in a traditional IRA, but if you're 50 years old, you can save $6,500. And it's actually pretty good because that's money for you to eat when you cannot work anymore. So it's a traditional IRA, awesome. However, for 2018, if you see that you're going to be in a lower tax bracket, right, then a Roth IRA may be a better option, especially if you are planning to collect a big retirement or have a lot of pensions that you're going to be collecting. Later on, your tax bracket is going to change because this tax bracket change is only good for 8 years till 2025. So if it changes, then you have these 8 years where you are in a lower tax bracket. So Roth IRA may not be bad. Meals and entertainment they have not changed either for 2017, but there is major changes for 2018, which I will explain in my next video. For 2017 tax year, just in case you wonder, there is also no change for the $25 gift that you can give from your business to a person per year. So it's $25 per person per year. And next one, just in case you wonder, I just want to clarify the tax bracket change. It's starting for tax year 2018. Next one, there is no change on the $250 that a T-shirt can deduct. And for 2017, I know there's a huge change for 2018 that I will talk in my next video, but there is no change for the ability to itemize. So you can still itemize for 2017. For Schedule A, if you claim medical expenses, this change for 2017 and 2018, and you have medical expenses, you're going to see more of your medical expenses being deducted because the hole is smaller. And that's what I mean. If you see the picture, this is what I mean. Instead of 10% adjusted gross income, it's now 7.5. This applies to both years. So the filter hole is smaller, which you're going to be able to deduct more of your medical expenses. And according to the IRS Code Section 6039F, if a U.S. citizen or resident receives a gift from a foreign corporation or a foreign partnership over $15,797, the U.S. citizen or resident must report it. They have to give notice of this gift, or $100,000 from a person or from the wealth of a dead family member. So, but you only need to report it. You don't pay no taxes on it. You report it on Form 3520. If you don't report it, the penalty goes up to 25%. So it's important that you know, because what you don't know, that can hurt you the most, right? Just a word of advice, if you know you're receiving this money, let's say it's $120,000 from these family members from the state, then you can have them send it to you in two parts, 60,000 one year, 60,000 the next year. This way you don't have to report it. And then last but not least, be alert of tax fraud to taxpayers and tax preparers. Yeah, tax preparers, imagine that. So these are some of the ways that you can notice if this is a fraud. Um, they will send you flyers, brochures, emails, but especially they're going to call you on the phone. They're going to pretend they're calling from the IRS, and they're going to either harass you to pay taxes right now, or oh, you need to return your tax refund to the IRS plus penalties and interest, or to give you access to these secret tax rebates, to give you a refund, or to give you a refund based on your Social Security benefits. And you don't need no documentation. Like, yeah, that doesn't make sense. But just be on the lookout. Do not give them any information. Be alert because they're actually getting more sophisticated. Thank you guys. I hope this information helped.
If you like this video, please subscribe, share with your family and friends. I will embrace your inspiring comments, and if you have questions, send them. I'll be more than happy to assist. Until next time, remind your heart to smile and fight for your dreams with honor and undying determination. Thank you so much.